Oo nga pala, Hi, this is Samantha. So, bakit ito yung server? Never mind, let's just rate, outfits. 8, 10. 8/10. 9 like it, 3 out of 10. 5/10, yeah. There's others there, but I'm gonna do this one. Both of this is like, 8/10. Okay. All of this one, 7 out of 10. The blue one, this one like, 7 out of 10. Okay. Oh, this. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna go choose 6 out of 10. I don't know if that's a durian here actually. Okay, a different server. Okay, so I'm joining now. I guess we're gonna rate outfits in this video. Yeah, but I know I'm not popular and I'm just new. So I'm gonna try to make this a nice video. Yep. Never mind, let's just use this. Ooh, it's a Brookhaven cleaner. I love his outfit. Like an 8 out of 10. It's very nice. Okay, now I guess we're gonna do a rating video. Let's go for rating houses, outfits, even like something else. I'm gonna put car, put the speed in 55. Okay, now let's just find something else, you know. Let's go. What's Bayot? I like this, like a 7 out of 10. By the way, I can speak Filipino because of course Filipino ako eh. Okay, iba pa. Alam ko meron ng mga ano. Oh, let's rate this car. Oh, I like it. It's like It's like siya yung parang moving van. May move sila. Ang cute nun. Gusto ko sana mag-join. Pero pero kailangan natin ituloy itong video na to eh. So, I'm gonna do it for you guys. Oh, masyado itong malaki. But, it's kinda nice too. But, I don't like it so much. Maybe mga 6 out of 10 yeah. Okay, pala sila. Okay, now punta na tayo sa iba na house. Just a drive-in. Okay, so andito na ako. Ang babalik na lang ako dun sa spawn area kasi may nakita ko. Gusto ko i-rate. Going. Okay. Itong ice cream van na to, parang ano siya, you know, it's giving 7 out of 10 and 8 out of 10. So, okay na yun. Mag-rate na tayo ng mga outfits, parking lot. Okay. Mag-rate na tayo ng mga outfits. Ito, parang nag-give, you know, like, beige. Pero hindi sobrang beige outfit. It's cute too. But I don't like it very much. So maybe a 6 out of 10. Whoa. What's he doing? Okay, how about this? Oh my gosh. Slay! I love it. Perfect for trolling. Maybe like 8 out of 10. Yep. How about this guy? I don't like it very much. I don't hate it. But please don't hate me, guys. Maybe. Oh, thank you. Like 7 out of 10 muna. Oh, I like it. Oh. Okay, iba na to. So, maybe mga 7 out of 10. Ganon. Okay. Dito naman tayo next. Hindi pa siya tapos kaya di ko muna siya anuhin. Ito, tapos na ba to? Ay, hindi pa to tapos. Nagkaano pa siya? Ay, premium. Wait lang, meron bang bago? Ay, may VIP. Ano yun? Hindi ko na, notice yung sa bagong update. Okay, so I think that's all for today's video. Bye!